This is Jnanasundari, one of the science teacher of 6th standard. 6th standard science 1, term 3, unit 1, magnetism. Definitely, we would all heard about magnet. What is magnet? A magnet is an object, generally a metal, that has a north and south pole, such that opposite poles attract and like poles repel. Magnets is any material that produces a magnetic force, that means push or pull, on a magnetic material, such as iron. Closely related to electricity, but different. Where there is electricity, there is a magnetic field. Where there is magnetic field, electricity can be created. In this lesson, topics to be discussed: introduction, discovery of magnets, and magnet of different shapes. We are going to see small activity. Required materials: steel glass, needle and thread. Okay children, ready to see the activity? Yes.
Hi children, you might have seen magnets. Yes. The magnet has two poles. One is north pole, then another one is south pole. Like poles are repel. Okay, like poles are repel. North pole a repel and north south pole attract. Have you ever enjoyed play with them? Yes. Okay children, now we are going to see interesting activity. Take a steel glass and take a needle through which thread is passed. Press the thread with the finger near the hole of the needle. Press the thread with the finger near the hole of the needle. Now, take a steel glass and raise the glass upward slowly. Have you seen children? Yes, what happens? The needle is attracted to magnet. Okay, where the magnet is there? See children, inside of the glass, the magnet is there. Does the needle stand vertically up without touching the glass? Have you seen children? Yes. Why this happen? Why this happen? Because inside of the glass the magnet is there. You know that children, the magnet is attracted iron fillings and iron materials. Yes, very good.
Next topic, discovery of magnets. We know that magnets are there and we are using many applications. For example, even in the fridge door, speakers, etc. All those things we are using. So, how was this magnet discovered? Let us see the discovery of magnets. The topic name is Magic Stone of Magnus. About 2500 years back, in a place named Magnesia in Greek, Magnus was rearing his goats. And now, His iron-capped stick stuck on the rock and stood erect. Oh, what is this? His iron-nailed boots also stuck on the rock. The entire village assembled there and wondered. Definitely, this is a magical rock. No, some other reasons might be there. This is the magnificent power of God. People wondered about this incident. Each and everyone expressed their views. What might be the reason for the stick to get stuck on the rock? Yes, you are right. That is a magnetic rock. People found it attracting not only for the stick of magnets, but also for all the materials made of iron. The more rocks of these kinds were found worldwide. These magnet rocks were named, yes children, magnet. What is magnetite used for? Magnetite is a valuable source of iron ore and is mainly used in making steel. Magnetite is a ferrimagnetic mineral with definite north and south poles. Magnetite after the name of boy Magnus. The name is also supposed to come after the name of the place Magnesia, in which it was found. Magnetite was the ore with attracting property found in that region. Magnetites are natural magnets. They are called magnetic stones. Magnetite is known as, very good children, natural magnet. Like this material are called magnets now. Magnetite was the ore with attracting property found in that region. So, magnets are natural magnets. They are called magnetic stones. What is natural magnets? Is there any shape? Natural magnets do not have definite shape. Since they are used for finding direction, they are also called leading stones or lodestones. So, we know that natural magnets is also known as lodestones. Next, we are going to see magnet of different shapes. After learning the method of changing the piece of iron into magnet, that means magnetization, we have seen making and using several kinds of magnets. Such as man-made magnets are called artificial magnets. So, we have two types of magnets. One is natural magnets, then another one is artificial magnets. What are the artificial magnets are there and its shape? Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, ring magnet and needle magnet are generally used artificial magnet. Oval shape, disc shapes and cylindrical magnets are also available.
Activity 1. Take a magnet. Take the magnet closer to the objects surround you. What happens? The object attracted by the magnet. Few substances attracted by the magnet. Have you seen, children? Some substance attracted by the magnet. What are they? Iron nail, paper clips, hairpin, key, needle, and iron fillings is attracted by magnet. The objects not attracted by magnets: pencil, eraser, rubber band, scale, plastic, paper is not attracted by magnet. The objects not attracted by the magnet. So which substances are used to make the objects attracted by the magnets? Yes, children, the iron is used to make the objects attracted by the magnet.
What is magnetic substances? Substances which are attracted by magnet are called magnetic substances. For example, iron, steel, cobalt and nickel. Here some examples are there: nickel knife, cobalt coin, steel spoon and iron nail, steel paper clip. What is non-magnetic substances? Substances which are not attracted by magnet are called non-magnetic substances. Examples of non-magnetic materials: paper, glass, plastic, rubber and wood. Okay children, we will meet at next class. Thank you.